Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Kingsley once again from Kingsbird Designs. You're actually welcome to my channel. In case you're joining me for the first time, this is Kingsbird Designs, where I teach several things. You got to learn a lot from my channel. And in case you're a new person just coming into my channel or viewing my channel for the first time, what I will encourage you to do is just make sure you click on the subscribe button so that you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss anything, and ensure you hit on the notification bell over here. All right, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this particular template using Blogger. You can see this is my blog, and I'll be showing you how to create this amazing blog using Blogger. Now you see how the blog actually looks like. Look at how everything is well arranged. So I'll be showing you how to arrange your own blog to this taste using Blogger. It's just how to customize your theme so that it just looks exactly the way this one is. Okay, we'll be doing that using some few minutes from now. Okay, now what first thing you're going to do, I'm on my Blogger dashboard. Okay, now this is this I'm actually using. I'm going to let me switch. Although these are several blogs I've worked on, trying to see. Let me try to look for a one that has much posts on it so that I'll make use of it to test. This one I'm just having one post. It's not. Let me make use of this and see. Just having two posts and this. Let me see. Let me see this. Okay, I think this should be more or less okay. I can manage this one for now. So we'll be making use of this now. Let's go straight. The next thing I'm going to do, I have to show you how to come to your theme. I don't want to lose this particular template I'm using on this blog right now. You can see this is the preview. Let me view this for you so that you see how this looks like. This is the preview of how this particular blog actually looks like when you open it. This is everything. This is what we're having here. This is how it looks like. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can manage to handle it, and it will come out very well for you the way the other blog looks like. I'm going to back up this particular template. Backup theme. Okay, let me save it as Exchange. Alright, I'll be able to save this particular theme to my desktop now, so I can be able to access it at any time I want to and replace it, so I don't get lost at any time. So now I'm going to go close this now. Now we'll go to Google, but in case you are finding it difficult or you just want to download it straight, I have a link to this particular template on my blog, so I will drop the link on the description below, or you can get it from my blog directly. If you're watching this from my blog, you can just go down, you will see where I uploaded this particular theme or template, so you can actually download it and just go ahead straight and install whatever I'm going to show you from here. Okay, now I'm going to, because we don't have it, I'm going to go to Google. I will show you what to do. Just type in Tech Pro. Tech Pro is the template we are actually looking for. Sorry, I didn't narrow it. Tech Blogger theme, blogger template. So once you search for that, it's going, I want to be making, I'll make use of this. Then right click, waiting for it to come up. Then the next thing I'm going to do, once it comes up, is to just download. Now here is a template. This is how it looks like. So once you scroll down, you can see they have the paid version. Remove credits. I'm going to show you how to actually see how to edit and remove some of these things here. So now I'm going to download it for free, the free version of it. When you click on it, it should start downloading. Sorry, we are not able to. Okay, there's no issue. I'll just click on this download, then you click on it. It's going to download the file for you. You can see the free version. Yes, I've gotten it downloaded. Okay, that's complete. Next, I'm going to go to the folder where I have it. It's going to come as a zip file. If you check, it's going to actually come as a zip file. Let me go to my download. Okay, opening up. You can see it came as a zip file. So I'm going to open, ensure that I extract it. If you don't have any, listen, you can make sure you, but the one I'm going to be uploading to my blog, I'm going to extract it and copy it and save it, so that it will be easy for those of you that are using your phone, so that it won't be hard for you. Okay, now extract to this. So the next thing I'm going to do is, once it's finished extracting, come here. I'm going to show you what to do now. This is what you'll be uploading to your site, the one that has this XML document extension. This is the one we are going to be uploading to your blog. So now I'm going to come to my blog now, where I have my blog. I'm going to come to this backup again. Now choose file, then you go. I'm going to now go to my download folder. Sorry, just a second. Okay, here is it. Just open here, then here is the file you are going to upload, the one with XML extension, as I said. Then you just click on this. Now you can see it's inserted. Then you click on upload. As you can see, it showed successful, and automatically you can see my blog, everything has changed. Everything I'm having now, if I should refresh this particular blog, you can see everything has changed. Do you now see how it looks like? Everything now has changed. This is how my blog is now looking. You can see I'm having, you can see how everything now is arranged, but I still need to do some work on this. You can see it's just a bit scattered, but this is actually the template we're actually looking for. You can see everything set up, the menus, how they are. So for the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to edit these menus, how to insert your own menus if you want to do that, and how to set up everything very well. You can see GSC just, it hasn't finally taken, it's gradually taking the look of this particular blog, but we are not yet done with it, because you can see I'm having another segment here where we're having tutorials. I'm having another one here where you can see if I switch from here, so I'll show you how to do all this, how to set it up all like this way. You can still see there are some few things that I'm missing here, so I'll be showing you how to set all this up, including your sidebars and your social icon here, how to activate them, how to make everything work functionally, how to insert your Facebook here, and several things. So now for this tutorial, I guess you just learned how to warn a new thing here, how to change to this particular template. Until next time, don't forget that the link to this theme is at the description box below, so you can actually check it at the description, or if you're watching this from my blog, you can actually download it directly from the blog there, the extracted file. Okay, until next time, in case you've not subscribed to my channel, you can always, don't forget, this is, you just come to the site, to my blog, to my YouTube channel. Ensure you click on the subscribe button so that you always get notified of whenever I upload new video. And don't forget, this hitting on the notification bell will make you to be notified every time I upload new video. Until next time, thank you very much. Bye.